Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now. Force quit Discord using Task Manager or Terminal because a hung process blocks fixes. Make sure you can log in and have any 2FA codes ready. Once closed, clear the app cache folder at %appdata%\discord/cache to remove corrupted files. While you're here, restart your router briefly to refresh network routes, then relaunch Discord. Doing these steps first isolates whether the freeze is app-level, cache-related, or network-driven, so you know what to try next. You continue by fully uninstalling Discord, then delete leftover folders in %appdata% and %localappdata% to remove persistent corrupted state. Once removed, download and run the latest installer as administrator so system files replace cleanly. If you can open Discord, go to User Settings and disable hardware acceleration. This often resolves freezes tied to GPU drivers. Also turn off overlays, game or streaming apps, and test in a clean. You're finishing by ensuring the system isn't interfering. Perform a clean boot to disable third-party services, then update GPU drivers and Windows to eliminate driver conflicts. Check firewall and antivirus rules to allow Discord full network access. Allow both TCP and UDP ports commonly used. If problems persist, reinstall again after clean boot or use the web client as a temporary workaround. Troubleshooting tip: if freezes continue despite these steps, create a new OS user and test Discord there. Persistent freezes across users point to system-level issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.